How to fix very low audio volume in Windows 11. This tutorial walks through the most effective ways to boost your sound back to normal. First, click the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. From there, drag the slider all the way up to check if it's just set too low. After that, right-click on that same volume icon. At this point, click Open Sound Settings. Following this, check that the correct output device is selected under Output, since audio can sound quiet or muted if it's routed to the wrong device. From here, click Volume Mixer. At this stage, scroll through and check that individual apps aren't set to a lower volume than your system overall. Following this, back out and click on your output device's properties. From here, click the Enhancements tab. At this stage, check if loudness equalization is available and turn it on, since this can boost quieter sounds specifically. Following this, if that option isn't there, click the Levels tab instead. From here, make sure the level is set to 100 and check for a separate balance option too, since an uneven balance can make one side sound quieter overall. If the volume is still low after all of that, outdated audio drivers could be the cause. At this stage, open the search bar and search for Device Manager. Following this, click to open it. From here, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. At this stage, right-click on your audio device. Following this, click Update Driver. From here, click Search Automatically for drivers. Give it a moment while Windows checks for and installs any available updates. Once finished, restart your computer to make sure the changes fully apply.
That's how you fix very low audio volume in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!